At 4:30 p.m., we're expecting a government news conference to give us an update on the situation in the country. On the government website, seven cases have been confirmed so far. It's unclear if those figures have changed, but on the ground, pressure is growing on the National Identification Authority to suspend the Ghana card registration ongoing in the Eastern region due to the coronavirus outbreak. Now, the Ghana Medical Association is the latest to demand an end to that exercise. Well, that's a statement from the Ghana Medical Association, and I try and go through the statement for you. It says that the Ghana Medical Association, GMA, having continuously monitored the country's preparations and activities to contain the COVID-19 outbreak in Ghana, do hereby state as follows. Number one, it says that in the interest of public health and safety, the GMA calls on the National Identification Authority to suspend with immediate effect the ongoing mass registration exercise in the Eastern region. It also says that this mass registration exercise defeats the spirit and letter of the directives, especially on mass gathering, issued by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana as part of the measures to combat COVID-19 outbreak in the country. It is the considered view of the GMA that this mass registration activity by the NIA, if allowed to continue, could create a fertile ground for potential spread of COVID-19, endangering the lives of the staff of the NIA, the communities involved in the entire nation. In the process, this will undoubtedly be fatal for the country. On the second point, the GMA says that government is also urged to begin enforcement of self-isolation of all Ghanaian citizens and residents returning into Ghana from countries with high disease burden of COVID-19 in accordance with the self-isolation guidelines as issued by the Ghana Health Service. And if you recall, this is on the back of the fact that some Italians were turned away by Ghanaian authorities, but everybody else on aboard that plane actually was allowed in. On the final point, the GMA says that it is calling on all civil society organizations and corporates Ghana to complement government's efforts at combating COVID-19 in the country. That is a statement signed by Dr. Frank Ankobia, President of GMA, and Dr. Justice Jansen, General Secretary of the GMA. So that's the GMA's position. They want the NIA to suspend the ongoing mass registration program right now.